Hey guys, MK again, back with another on-demand video. So today we're going to be doing a very interesting task. As you know, Gemini 2.5 Pro is currently the SOTA state-of-the-art model, but of course we have a new contender on the loose, which is O3, which comes in at a close second. So today we will be testing these models on coding tasks. So as you know, both of these models are great at coding, great at maths, so we're just pretty much gonna put them to the test. One thing what I do love about O3 is the instruction following and the tool calling are something you know, to definitely be proud of from the OpenAI team. The ability to reason in between agent calls is something that we haven't seen before. So we're doing a lot of internal testing, and it's yeah, quite exciting. So maybe a separate video about that later, but for today we have a simple task of building a fantastic landing page for a agentic platform. So we're just going to head straight over to the on-demand platform and put these two monsters to the test. So first we will be trying our SOTA mode, which is Gemini 2.5 Pro. As you can see, it is #1 here on the charts. So it's pretty simple. It's a public facing enterprise landing page for full agent workflow product. Very simple here. So we've got a little bit of details regarding how we'd want the landing page to look, with a few dimensions, a multi-agent orchestration visual. So yeah, it's quite a complex prompt, and the agents that we'll be using will actually be deploying this live. So the agents that we will be using would be the web page generating agent and the Netlify agent for actually deploying an actual live URL. So this website would actually be live for anyone to essentially yeah, go check it out. And lastly is the image generation agent, which is OpenAI's new and the best actual text to image model now, which is called Imagen. So this will be kind of handling the images. So without no further ado, I will run the task, and yeah, we'll check out this landing page, and then we'll quickly see how O3 does and do a comparison. So it seems like we're here. So as you can see, firstly, it's of course created the images, which is very cool, activated the web page generation agent, and you can see multiple deployments on Netlify right here. And this was all done in 207 seconds. Wow, did we ever think we'll get to a stage where we can create a landing page in 200 seconds? Still amazed. Anyway, let's go and check this out and see what Gemini 2.5 Pro has essentially vibe coded here. Great. Yeah, nice image, nice landing page for sure. Yeah, looks pretty cool to me. Scheduled demo, awesome, and it takes you straight down to the contact us page, which is pretty cool. I really do like the LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook icons and logos right there. Never seen that before. Frequently asked questions, trusted by leading enterprises. Great. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. I really like this a lot. Okay, so well, that's what we have, some testimonials here as well, which is also pretty cool. And that's 0 shot, so that's you know, 1 prompt, 1 shot, and this is what it's really come out with. So I think it's definitely a good foundation for a landing page. So yeah, time to see what O3 can do. So guys, it seems like we're done with O3's output. So that took slightly longer. That took 246 seconds. Very interesting. We have the URL links right here. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. Okay. So it definitely doesn't look as clean as Gemini 2.5 Pro. You know, some interesting moving icons here, which is always nice. Let's see if it got the LinkedIn and Twitter. So good, it got the Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter icons ready. But if I was to be absolutely honest, I would go ahead and say Gemini 2.5 Pro did a much better job at that. So guys, that's it for today. I will definitely be doing a lot more videos this week. Been an extremely busy week last week, pushing the boundaries and essentially getting ready for a big go to market. So the next video is definitely going to be about the new Qwen series of models, Qwen 3. Everyone kind of slept on Qwen actually when DeepSeek come out, but let's not forget Qwen was the kind of SOTA open source model. So they've come out with 8 new models. Qwen 3, I will be pushing the BYOM feature to its limit on the OnDemand platform and deploying and testing this across agents. Very excited for that. Again, thank you very much. Take care.